Hi, this is Shauna from Bathtubber, and I'm about to take a detox bath. A detox bath is really great if you feel like you're allergic or feel extra achy. As you probably know, toxins are really poisons that get in our bodies. It happens to everyone. This can happen from petrochemicals, pesticides on food, heavy metals in the air from air pollution, in all kinds of ways they get into our bodies. And one of the best ways we can detoxify is through sweating. There are plenty of studies that back up that sweating has a higher concentration of heavy metals as compared to other ways of eliminating toxins from our body, like peeing or pooping. My detox bath today, I'm going to use a quarter cup of turmeric, which is an awesome root. It's ground and dried. And this root is revered in Indian culture because it makes the skin just glow beautifully, but it also has detoxifying properties. I'm going to use an equal amount of dried ginger. So I just took it from my kitchen and I'll put it in. Ginger will make you sweat, 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 which is what we want. Okay? And that will make our skin look glowing and help us get the toxins out of our bodies. I'm also going to use a cup of baking soda, which will soften our skin. I'll use 2 cups of Epsom salt. I like this one because it already has lavender in it, and lavender helps you relax and get ready for bed, and I plan to go to bed after this. And then I'll use 10 drops each of these essential oils. One is eucalyptus oil and one is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is great for the skin and it's antimicrobial, and eucalyptus oil also is decongesting as well as detoxifying. Okay, so I am in my detox bath and I'm already starting to sweat. Now I've made the water, I'd say warm and not even hot because I haven't done a detox bath in a while. I need to ease back into it. So I would recommend you start out with warm water if you're new to this, and then you can, the next time use hotter water. I'm also not going to take another detox bath for about a week. I'm going to see how I react. Now, it's not unusual after taking a detox bath to continue to sweat once you get out of the tub because your body's still eliminating toxins. You also might feel some flu-like aches and pains. That's not uncommon. Or you could be slightly nauseous and even lightheaded, especially if you haven't been drinking a lot of water. You should be drinking water before, during, and after. Now, if you've ever done a yeast kill diet or a sugar elimination diet, you probably know that you can feel worse before you feel better. In fact, the worse you feel, the more toxins are probably leaving your body. So if that's how you feel after you get out of the detox bath, just know it's not unusual. But if you don't feel better the next day, you should feel a lot better. Then maybe consult a doctor the next time before you try it. And in fact, anyone who's pregnant, over 70 years old, has cardiac issues or blood pressure problems or other chronic illnesses should definitely talk to a doctor before trying a detox bath. So rather than step out of the tub onto my bath mat, I've put down a dark brown towel because turmeric is used as a fabric dye, so it would stain a light colored bath mat or my bathroom floor. Hey, I just got out of my detox bath and I'm pretty tired, but I feel pretty good. I don't feel anything bad right now. I'm still sweating a little bit. Anyway, the bottom of my bathtub isn't looking so great, as you can see, so it's important to rinse it out immediately. And what I like to do is mix up a solution, which is a quarter cup of dish soap, half a cup of baking soda, and half a cup of warm water. And what I do is I'll literally use a paintbrush to paint it around the surface of my tub, and I'll just let it sit overnight. And in the morning, when I take a shower, it'll rinse down the drain. And if I need to, I'll use a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser just to scrub any remaining tinge of yellow off. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and get more content just like this about relaxing bath ideas, and enjoy your detoxing. Bye.